Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. It's your girl, Tamika. All right, so we are going to be talking about my experience on Wegovy and my new milligram. This week, it is 1.75 milligrams, okay? I don't remember which week this is. It might be week 14. I don't know. But I am late putting out this video. It was supposed to went out yesterday on Sunday, and I'm already on week 2 on 1.75 milligrams. So let me give you a recap and then we will get into how much weight I lost. All right. So I got my stuff over here. That way it can help keep me on track. So on last Sunday, not yesterday, but last Sunday, all right. So I worked out. If you have not seen my last video, I did tell you guys that I joined Planet Fitness. Now, I did not work out that day, but I worked out Sunday at home. Okay. I did my regular routine with Juice and Toya. They have a host of videos here on YouTube. Then Monday, I decided to go ahead and work out at Planet Fitness. Guys, my experience at Planet Fitness, let's just say that it is true to me, it is that I was being looked at by people. I literally made eye contact with people. Like when I felt them looking at me, I'll turn and I look and they will be looking directly at me. Like one person was talking to a guy and I was um, on one of the machines doing whatever. I can't remember what it was. And then I'm looking up at the TV, but they're right here, like in my view, and I can see the guy like just turning around because the girl looked like they were whispering and talking, and he'll turn around. And mind you that the desk is like diagonal from where I'm at. So, but we were making eye contact. So I got so frustrated, girl, and I was like, I got to get out of here. But instead, I went to a different area where there was nobody at because I was in the area with all the machines. I should have little clips here. I was trying to hide my phone because I just wasn't sure. Even though I did get the okay from one person, that still doesn't mean anything. But I still did my thing. I did what I can do. I tried to film as much as I could, but the glare was getting in the way. And I was using my water bottle here as like a prop to put my phone up, and it was on the ground. But yeah, so I went to another area, which was the abs and strength, and tried to do a few workouts there and look at the machine because it has like, directions, well, instructions on how to use the machine. Some I just could not figure it out. But then I looked because I felt like somebody was looking at me. And then again, I turned, I looked, she turned her head. I'm like, ugh, I can't take it. So I left that area, then went to the treadmill, everybody. And I tried to do the 3-12-30. Girl, tell me why did I almost fall out? So if you don't know what the 3-12-30 is, I don't know who it came from. Somebody here on YouTube, okay? I don't know. But you're on the treadmill. So you have your speed at 3 minutes. Your incline is 12. And you are doing this for the duration of 30 minutes. So an incline of 12 means like you're really climbing, like literally a hill. So tell me why that within 3 minutes, like my body was about to give out on me. Yes, it was about to seriously give out. So I had to decrease the incline to 12 and I'm sorry, to 4. And then I was fine. So I lasted only 12 minutes and then I was done. Like literally, I got on my favorite machine that I've seen everybody else do, which is the lats pull. Like I love that. Like my lats and everything was, being worked out. I felt like I got an overall good workout by being on the machines and then finishing it off on the treadmill. All right. So of course that was Monday. Tuesday, my body was sore. It was sore, but I was all right. So here we get into Wednesday where I decided to join a boot camp. One of my friends from church goes to a boot camp and another person was there as well. And we all went to boot camp on Wednesday. That was like what's that one intense workout, P8 or P98, whatever it is on steroids. That workout was ridiculous. It was a whole hour. They had us doing all types of crazy moves. Like I just never knew what to expect. When it was Juice and Toya, I kind of knew what to expect. Let's just say that when I was done, my body was screaming. I was so annoyed, okay, that when I took my shower, I had to pick my leg up to get in the shower. You know how you just just put your leg over. I had to go like like this and then put my body in. Getting in and out of a car was terrible. My sleep was horrible that night. I just held myself and was like, and just started moaning, like, oh my God, my body hurts. Like, I was like that. And I wish I would have recorded it because it was so funny, but that's how intense my body was, girl. Like, I can't believe it. So here it goes. Thursday, my body is stiff. I can barely walk. I can barely get in and out of the car. I can barely get in and out of a shower. I can barely get up after sitting down for so long. I tried walking to get everything together, and it was just a hot mess. I feel like my food is burning. I can smell it. Hold on. Yeah, like it was so exhausting Thursday, and then Friday my body was so sore. It was just intense soreness. Like I just could not shake it up. So I did take, a really hot bath with Epsom salt. I took magnesium. I rubbed my body with that stinking little cream and all of that, trying to release the muscle tension. It was ridiculous. And then what's sad is that Saturday when I got on the Starship cruise that takes you around Davis Island, because I live in the Tampa Bay area, and I tried to enjoy myself, but I was in a little bit of pain, even though I can kind of walk and maneuver a little bit, but I was still in pain. Today, my body, it feels good, but my quads are still sore. Like even if I tap on it, I can feel it and it hurts. Monday through Thursday, they do boot camp. I'm not going. No, I'm not doing it. So during the week of boot camp, I did want to say, which is the reason why I have this. Um, this is creatine. Now, guys, like we do produce creatine on our own. However, you do not produce enough to like really. What creatine does is it's a white powder, and you take it between 1 to 2 times out the day. But I did a creatine overload, and what it does is you're supposed to drink a whole bunch of water. This makes you dehydrated. The reason why you're going to get dehydrated is because the more water you consume, the more the water is being extracted and put into your muscles to plump them up, to make them look bigger and fuller. So with that being said, it does bring on some water weight. So yeah. So did I lose weight this week? No, I did not lose weight. I was at 179.8. I am at 180 point. I put on the screen 2 or something like that. But because I went on Starship and I had 3 mimosas, now I'm at 181. So I put on 2 pounds of water weight, which is still fine. That can be lost literally within a couple of days, and then I'm back on track. So I wanted to share that with you because I am real with what I do. I am normal, but currently I am not taking this, as it is Monday. I am not taking the creatine because I don't want the water weight. A whole 7 days, I have been drinking a gallon of water. I drink 2 of these, and this is a 32 ounce. Wait, I have not been drinking a gallon, or have I? Is this 32 ounce? 2 of these is not a gallon. What is a gallon? I thought this was a 64. This was only a 32. Well, I've been drinking a half a gallon because of the creatine and then having the mimosas. Like, girl, I didn't lose anything. So I'm going to try it this week with no creatine, but I can't promise you I won't have another drink because Friday is on and popping, and you'll know about that a little bit later. Okay? All right, so that is really. Oh, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. Being on 1.75 milligrams, not only does your appetite just decreases, like you just not really in the mood to eat. Like you can have a cracker and you will be full. Like your body will be like, okay, I'm done. That's it. Not only does it do that to your body, but two, I found myself being constipated, crying for Jesus, like to help save me, sweating bullets. Like I was constipated one time last week, and I was like frustrated. But so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video.